The drain current of a MOSFET varies exponentially with VGS in the subthreshold. Now, is this true or false? Well, if we look at the notes that are in the description below the like button, we can have our subthreshold operation. And again, this is the notes. There's more in depth about this, so we're just going to go over this briefly. We can look at, so far we've assumed, we have this right here for our notes. We are going to also look at the graph. The graph is the most important part because when we look at the graph, it's a logarithmic graph. We see that we have our VGS here. Now, that means this entire part down here is for our VGS, and we can see it is going exponentially right here. It's growing exponentially. And so the drain current of a MOSFET varies exponentially with VGS regarding here in our subthreshold. Because of this, it would be true, and that's how we go about solving for this problem.